Let's take one more problem with arrays. Now here we are given an array of 10 elements. So array of 10 elements. And we want to compute the sum of all the elements in the array. So how do we do this? So to do this problem, what I'm going to do is declare I. We are going to use I to index into the array. And I have another variable called sum, which is initialized to 0. This is my array A. It contains 10 elements. The elements are, we're going to have 10 different values. So for simplicity, let's take 20, 40, 10, 50, 60, 10, 20, 40. So how many are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Two more. Say 10 and 15. So you know that the sum of these elements are 20 plus 40 is 60, 70, 120, 180, 190, 210, 250, 260, 275. So ideally, you should get the answer as 275. Printf. I'm just going to display the array contents. Array elements are. Run a loop starting from index 0 all the way up to index 9. Remember, indexing starts from 0. So if you have an array of 10 elements, the first index is going to be 0 and the last index is going to be 9. I++, printf, %d, comma, array of I. Now let's write the logic for computing the sum of all the elements. So the logic is for I equals to 0, I less than or equals to 9, I++, sum equals sum plus the array element. And I can have another printf which says sum of all array elements equals %d, comma, sum. And let me put a \n for better readability. So I can run this program. So array elements are the list of all the elements in the array. And the sum of all the array elements is 275. And this matches up with the theoretical calculated value. So the way this program works is initially your sum is 0. So that is given by this one here. This is just displaying the contents of the array. And here I'm calculating the sum of all values. So when I is 0, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say sum equals to sum plus array of 0. So here sum is equals to 0 plus 20, that is 20. For the next iteration, I have sum equals to sum plus a of 1. So the current value of sum is 20. And I'm going to add 20 to the next array element, which is 40. Therefore, sum is 60. And we repeat this process until we finish up with the last element in the array. Finally, the value of sum is stored in the variable sum, and we are just going to display that value here.